In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tactiq on Teams. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to have your Tactiq extension installed. You can find this on the Chrome Web Store under extensions. You can just install it onto your Chrome browser, and then you have to sign in or sign up, and then you're good to go. So after you've done this, you want to go to your Teams. You can do this on the web version like me over here, and then you want to go inside a meeting. So I'm just going to start a random meeting over here. I'm going to continue without audio or microphone right now. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to just put this off like this. Okay, now as you can see over here on the right, it's already transcribing what I'm saying, and this is because my microphone is currently off. Now whatever is going to happen in here, whatever somebody is going to say inside your meeting, it's going to get transcriptions down here at the bottom. This is actually Tactics, and over here on the very right as well. So for example, let's say I now mute myself and somebody else speaks. As you can see over here, it basically just stopped and it's not transcribing anymore. Now it's even telling me my mic is muted, so it wants me to turn it back on because it can hear me speaking. And yes, so whatever's going to be said, it's going to say the name of the person who actually said this over here, and then what they actually said inside these nice looking paragraphs. Here you can also change the language in case it's not English, but it's something else. You can change that too, as you can see. And you can also add in your notes if you want to add your notes to your transcripts. Now, if you actually at any point want this transcript to be paused and you don't want anything to be actually transcribed from then on, you can click on the pause button over here, and then whenever you want the transcription to start again, you can just click on the resume button. It's the exact same button, and then the transcription will go on. But of course, currently nothing is happening because I am muted. Here you can also share this, share transcripts, highlights, chats, and more. You can open the transcript inside their app on this link. So the dashboard app.tactic.io, you can see over here, this is the transcription. It's still processing, so it is not completed yet. And then over here, you can take a screenshot of your current page. At the very top, you can see you can go to the transcript list on their page yet again. You can delete the conversation, view the privacy info, change the settings on their website, get help with Tactic, or you can minimize the widget and you can see it like this over here on the right and open it up again whenever you want by clicking this button. So this is essentially how to use Tactic on Teams. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.